Okay, so this is a follow-up video for you guys that have saw my video on the problems that I was having with my tracks. And if you've not watched that video, you need to watch it, and this will make sense to you. But I really just want to follow up with you guys and just briefly let you know that I worked things out with Caterpillar. Actually, I worked things out with my dealer. My dealership really took care of me, and I think it's really important that you have a good dealer, a dealer that has a good relationship with Caterpillar, and just a dealership that's going to support you and can get things done. So anyway, we came to an agreement, and as you can see, I've got a new set of tracks on here, and they really took care of me. And I sincerely appreciate Stowers Caterpillar in Knoxville, Tennessee, and definitely recommend if you guys are looking for a Caterpillar or you know, a dealer, that you reach out to Stowers. But so tracks look good, they're performing great, and just thanks to Stowers Caterpillar.